Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do a text flip transitions in your edit on CapCut. So first you need to prepare two texts like this and then put the second text under the first one, but make it slightly overlap like this at the end. Okay, and just click on the first text and add keyframes at the beginning and also the end like this, and on the last keyframe turn the text like this. Okay, and then on the second text also add two keyframes like this, the one at the beginning and also the end, and on the first keyframe turn the text in the same directions as the first one. Okay, like this, and now both in between the keyframes go to grabs and then select the custom grab like this. So this is for the first one, and then now the second one go like this. Okay, just click on a check icon and now go to the first tag. On the second keyframe in the first text, go to animation, out, and then find the blur animation, adjust it only for 0.3 seconds. Now on the second text, animation in and also blur. But now put at the beginning for 0.3 seconds. And now you are done. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. That's how you can make a text flip transitions. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.